Are you having problems with your Glovo app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this step-by-step guide will be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I actually just closed my Glovo app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app on your phone and in here just scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Scroll down in here a little bit and then click on storage. And then in here, you're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And as you can see, when it's done, all the apps in here is done. You're just going to swipe all the way up, as you can see, until you can see search all the way up, as you can see. So click on search and then search for Glovo in here and click on the app. In here, what you're going to do is to click on upload app and once again, click on upload app in here. And then just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here again. So basically now, as you can see on my Glovo app, it says loading now. So just give it a couple of minutes until it's completely done, because what will happen is that basically you will automatically update your Glovo app to the absolute latest version. So what will happen when you have the latest version is that it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So try this and hopefully now it's working for you as well.